Well, she's a busy, busy girl, and with her movies and this and modeling and ads. So here she is to tell us how important spa is in life, isn't it? Spa is important.
Well, I think it is very, very important, especially that I'm here right now. I just feel like cancelling everything that I have today.
Talking a little about 3G.
Right.
So, what do you think? It's going to work? It's a crime thriller.
Well, that's something for the audience to decide. You know, every time actors or anyone, like the entire team, when they get, connected to a project, they always hope that it works, and I also hope that my film works.
So how regularly does Sonal Chauhan get her spa treatment, and how do you deal with stress in this industry?
For me, the best way to deal with stress is by doing three things. Sleeping, just standing under a hot shower, like a really hot shower for, I don't know how long, as long as I can, and getting a good massage. So spa plays a very, very important part in my life to, beat the stress. Yeah.
What is the kind of movies that Sonal Chauhan now wants to do? And what are the kind of actors that you really, really want to work with? I know everybody says with everybody, but I'm sure there are a few people.
Well, I've always been a sucker for love stories. I love watching love stories, so I would love to do that kind of films.
You know, we always ask each other, I'm sure, are you good at massages?
Giving massages? I think I'm decent because I love taking massages so much, so I understand what the pressure points and all that. Yeah.
So did Neil give you any stress during 3G? Did you require a spa after it? No. Did he play his pranks? No.
Well, Neil, yes, he does play a lot of pranks, but I think it's all in good, humor. Yeah, he's very clean at heart.
Talking about the movie again, the promo looks very interesting. This is not something that we've seen you do. You know, we've always seen Sonal as this, you are such a pretty girl and such an innocent girl. She's so sweet. So I think it's difficult when you do like a crime and a dangerous thing. Is that why you did the movie?
Yeah, that is why, because I've always maintained that as an actor, you have to keep reinventing yourself.
Before I let you go, I'll have to ask, you have to tell all your fans there, what are the three things that a guy must do to impress Sonal Chauhan?
What are the three things he must do? Or should I say that what are the three qualities that he must have? He should be honest, he should be loyal, very, very important. And I don't care what the rest of the world thinks, but my man should think that I'm the most beautiful woman in the world. That's it.
So there you are, you heard her. Along with those three qualities, probably like you said, 1 month of spa treatment should also not be a bad idea.
That's very important. Every now and then.
Thank you so much, Sonal, for being here. That was Sonal Chauhan telling you all about her qualities in a man. Rudain Chatraj with Camden Kailash, Zoom.